You ever bite into a chicken nugget and wonder, how'd this little guy go from egg to awesome? It's a question that might seem simple, but the journey from nest to nugget is anything but straightforward. It's a tale of technology, science, and a whole lot of chicken know-how. It's a journey, folks, and I ain't talking about a stroll in the park. We're diving into a world where innovation meets agriculture, where every step is meticulously planned and executed to perfection. We're talking high-tech hatcheries, climate-controlled coops, and enough conveyor belts to make Lucy Ricardo's head spin. Imagine rows upon rows of eggs, each one carefully monitored and nurtured. It's like a sci-fi movie, but with chickens. Forget what you've seen on Old MacDonald's farm. The days of simple wooden coops and a handful of chickens pecking around the yard are long gone. Today, it's all about efficiency and scale. Today's chicken industry is a well-oiled machine, and it all starts with a little something called incubation. This is where the magic begins, transforming a humble egg into a living, breathing chick. Now, incubation ain't just for expectant parents craving pickles and ice cream. It's a precise science involving temperature control, humidity, and timing. Every egg is treated like a precious gem, ensuring the best possible start for the chick inside. It's the science of turning a fragile egg into a fluffy chick, and it's way more complicated and fascinating than you might think. Scientists and farmers work together, using cutting-edge technology to monitor every stage of development. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to crack open the world of chicken production from the moment that egg gets laid to the day it ends up on your plate. It's a process that involves countless steps, each one crucial to the final product. Get ready to get your hands dirty, because things are about to get cluckin' interesting. From the careful selection of breeding stock to the meticulous care of the chicks, every detail matters, and it doesn't stop there. The journey continues as these chicks grow, are fed a balanced diet, and are kept in optimal conditions to ensure their health and well-being. The feeding process is another marvel of modern agriculture. Automated systems ensure that each chicken gets the right amount of nutrients, while veterinarians keep a close eye on their health. It's a team effort, with everyone working together to raise the best chickens possible. Once the chickens are fully grown, they're transported to processing plants where the next phase of their journey begins. Here, advanced machinery and skilled workers process the chickens with precision and care, ensuring that every nugget, wing, and drumstick meets the highest standards of quality. Finally, the end product makes its way to supermarkets and restaurants, ready to be enjoyed by families around the world. So next time you bite into a chicken nugget, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. From nest to nugget, it's a story of innovation, dedication, and a whole lot of clucking hard work. Forget your grandma's hen house. Those quaint, rustic structures with their clucking hens and straw nests are a thing of the past. While they hold a certain nostalgic charm, the world of egg incubation has moved light years ahead. These ain't your grandpappy's incubators. Gone are the days of simple, manual devices. Today we have advanced, state-of-the-art machinery that takes egg incubation to a whole new level. We're talking massive, temperature-controlled rooms that look more like a spaceship than a barnyard. These facilities are designed with precision and efficiency in mind, ensuring optimal conditions for every single egg. Picture this: rows upon rows of gleaming metal cabinets, each one holding thousands of eggs, all nestled in perfect, climate-controlled bliss. It's a symphony of technology and nature working in harmony. These high-tech contraptions are designed to mimic mama hen, providing the ideal temperature, humidity, and even egg-turning action. Every detail is meticulously controlled to create the perfect environment for the developing embryos. Sensors and computers constantly monitor every variable, ensuring each embryo gets the perfect pre-hatch spa treatment. From temperature to humidity, and even the angle at which the eggs are turned, nothing is left to chance. Technicians in hairnets and lab coats scurry about, carefully transferring eggs, checking gauges, and basically playing Mother Goose to millions of future nuggets. Their expertise ensures that every egg has the best chance of hatching into a healthy chick. It's a far cry from a clucking hen sitting on a straw nest, but hey, progress, right? While the old methods have their place in history, modern technology has revolutionized the way we incubate eggs, making the process more efficient and reliable than ever before. And the results speak for themselves. Watching the eggs hatch in these high-tech incubators is nothing short of miraculous. The precision and care put into the process ensure a high hatch rate and healthy chicks ready to start their journey in the world. So next time you think about where your breakfast eggs come from, remember the incredible journey they've been on. From high-tech incubators to your plate, it's a blend of tradition and innovation, ensuring we have a steady supply of eggs for generations to come. After about 21 days in their climate-controlled condos, those eggs are ready to rock and roll. Or should I say, peck and cheep. The hatching process is a sight to behold, folks. Imagine a sea of tiny beaks breaking free from their shells, chirping their little lungs out, ready to take on the world. Now don't go picturing a heartwarming scene from a Disney movie. These hatcheries are working farms, not nurseries. Once those chicks are dry and fluffy, they're sorted, sexed, yep, it's a real job, and whisked away to their next adventure, the broiler house. The broiler house is where those fluffy chicks transform from hatchlings to, well, dinner. But before you get all PETA on me, these ain't your stereotypical cramped, stinky chicken coops. Modern broiler houses are more like climate-controlled resorts, designed for maximum chicken comfort. We're talking spacious barns with fresh air, comfy bedding, and plenty of food and water readily available. These birds are free to roam, socialize, and basically live their best chicken lives. Section 5. Dinner plate pipeline, from fluffy to finger-licking. Now let's talk turkey, or rather, chicken. The goal of any broiler operation is to raise healthy chickens to a specific size for processing. It ain't pretty, but it's a necessary part of putting food on the table. Thanks to technology, the entire process is carefully monitored and controlled, from the chicken's diet to the lighting in the houses. This ensures the birds grow at a healthy rate and are treated humanely throughout their life cycle. Section 6. Tech to the rescue, making farming smarter, not harder. Here's where things get really interesting. Technology plays a huge role in modern chicken farming, and I ain't just talking about fancy incubators. We're talking automated feeding systems, climate control that would make a Silicon Valley exec jealous, and even data analysis to track everything from growth rates to disease prevention. These advancements ain't just about boosting efficiency, they're also about improving animal welfare. With real-time monitoring, farmers can spot potential problems early on, whether it's a sick bird or a malfunctioning heater. This means quicker intervention, healthier chickens, and a more humane operation overall. Section 7. Happy chickens, happy meals, the welfare factor. Now I know what you're thinking. Mike, how can you say factory farming is humane? Look, I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. Raising animals for food is never gonna be a picnic in the park. But let's dive deeper. The reality is, technology has made huge strides in improving animal welfare in the chicken industry. Think about it. Climate-controlled environments, automated systems that ensure fresh food and water, and early disease detection all contribute to a less stressful, healthier life for these birds. These climate-controlled environments are designed to keep the temperature and humidity at optimal levels, ensuring the chickens are comfortable year-round. Automated feeding systems mean that chickens have constant access to fresh food and water, reducing competition and stress among the flock. And let's not forget the role of veterinarians and advanced technology in early disease detection. This means that any health issues can be identified and treated promptly, preventing outbreaks and ensuring the overall well-being of the flock. While it's easy to get caught up in the factory aspect, the truth is, many of these advancements are all about making life better for the chickens. So, next time you think about factory farming, remember that it's not just about mass production. It's also about leveraging technology to create a more humane and sustainable environment for the animals. The welfare factor is a crucial part of modern farming, aiming to balance efficiency with compassion. Farmers today are more aware than ever of the importance of animal welfare. They understand that a happy, healthy chicken not only leads to better quality meat but also aligns with ethical farming practices. In conclusion, while the term factory farming might conjure up negative images, the reality is that modern advancements are making significant strides in improving the lives of these animals. The welfare factor is not just a buzzword, it's a commitment to better farming practices and a brighter future for our feathered friends. Section 8. The future of cluck innovation on the horizon. So, what does the future hold for our feathered friends? If the past few decades are any indication, we can expect even more technological advancements aimed at improving efficiency and, yes, even chicken welfare. We're talking robotics, artificial intelligence, and maybe even personalized chicken spas. Okay, maybe not that last one, but a guy can dream, right? The bottom line is, the chicken industry ain't afraid of progress, and as technology continues to evolve, so will our ability to raise healthier, happier chickens, which, let's face it, makes for tastier nuggets for all of us. Now that's something to cluck about.